a fund balance from a reserve fund. But here we are talking now of a reserve funds being reduced and being disbursed for some other purposes, but exclusively at the disposal of the PhilHealth. And it cannot be part of the general fund so that it can be used for any other purpose related to healthcare. Tama?
Yes po.
So,
yes po.
maliwanag
Yung
na po
reserve
ang
fund.
distinction ng reserve fund at saka yung fund balance. Maliwanag. Pwede nating laruin yung fund balance, tanggalin natin, ilagak sa ibang pondo ng gobyerno related to health purposes. Unlike reserve fund, dito ka lang.
Yes.
Kung may kitain, dito ka pa rin. Hindi pwedeng galawin. Hindi pwedeng ilagak doon sa ating general fund.
That's correct po.
That's correct. Mukhang hindi pumapayag ang mga petitioner eh. Sige.
With the permission of the court, we do not agree, Your Honor. I think this is not a novel issue because in the Mandanas, the Republic Act 10351 was mentioned, although specific on Virginia Tobacco, specifically stating that this funds from sin taxes is actually a special fund, and special fund should only be used for a specific purpose. In fact, Your Honor, if I may just clarify, 10351 has been amended by 11346 and later on by 11467. The 50%, 80% goes to PhilHealth for individual-based health services. But there is also a 20% given to DOH for Health Enhancement Facilities Program, which they are now confusing with the 80% allocation. So, yung mga hong pagkukunan katulad nung mga health emergency allowance, which we understand that it's health human resource is really a part of the universal healthcare. But these funds should not be for individual-based health services because the law is clear that 80% of the 50% should go to PhilHealth under the universal healthcare. And under the universal healthcare, PhilHealth should only be for individual-based health services.
Alright, naintindihan ko na po. Meron tayong pagkakaiba ng mga posisyon tungkol sa bagay na yan, kung ano pang gagamitan ng special fund na natatangi sa fund balance at saka sa reserve fund. Ngayon, tumbukin ko ang pinaka-issue ng petitioner na tinatalakay natin ngayon. Yan po ay yung provision ng ating GAA, Special Provision 1D. Paki-plus nga yung 1D. Ayan po. Under Section 1D of Chapter 16 of the GAA, of 41 of the GAA, ito po ang sinasabi. Fund balance of the government-owned or controlled corporation from any remainder, actually remainder yan, remainder resulting from the review and reduction of their reserved funds. Ito na kasi ang nakalito sa ating lahat. Reduction of their reserved funds. Note, I have distinguished a fund balance from a reserve fund. But here we are talking now of a reserve funds being reduced and being disbursed for some other purposes. Of course, petitioner would say now that these reserve funds are supposedly exclusive and restricted to the PhilHealth. And yet, under the GAA, it can be reduced and it can be disbursed for other purposes. So, Attorney Hermosura, can you now explain to us what is this reduction of their reserve funds?
Actually, as I see it, this is a good governance measure, Your Honor. Because sometimes when you act for a corporation, you can be acting to set the level of the reserve fund to make sure that...
Kasi binabanggit tayo reserve funds eh. Kanina dinistinguish na natin ang fund balance at saka reserve fund.
Opo.
So when we say reserve funds, it has a particular and technical meaning.
Opo, pero hindi naman po yung amount is like set in stone. Pwede pong, kasi nag-change din po yung circumstances. Pwede pong nare-reset po yung amount.
Kaya ang sinasabi ngayon ng petitioner, reserve fund yan na hindi pwedeng galawin. Tama po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paki-explain nga bakit.
Yes, Your Honor. As we said, Your Honor, kahit na po meron tayong, ang nireason namin is that this 1D is an insertion in the budget that which cannot be found in the NEP and the Congress and Senate versions. Nevertheless, Your Honor, even if there is a so-called basis for what they said as the siphoning back of the 60 billion, Your Honor, a GAA cannot amend a law, Your Honor, and in this case, the Universal Healthcare Law and the syntax.
Ngayon, there is now a joinder of issue. Naipaliwanag ko na sa taong bayan, ano ba ang pinag-aawayan dito? Dahil yung reserve fund na yan ay nabanggit ng GAA for 2024 lang. Samantalang binabanggit natin ang distinction ng fund balance na different from the reserve funds. And yet, ito ngayon ang provision ng GAA. As to whether it is constitutional or not, yan po ang ating main issue. So, I will not ask any further question because I have clarified the main issue in this case. Thank you very much, Chief. Ay ang gamit from health primary purpose ng pera dahil special fund eh. Health purpose yan eh. Eh may batas tayo na illegal use of fund.
Opo.
Ginamit natin sa paraan na iba.
Katulad doon na bagit ko po.
And
From
one
health
thing,
to health.
ginamit
To
sa paraan na hindi related sa health. Yun lang po ang tanong.
Sa paranaw po namin, related po sa health.
Hindi nga, kung hindi nga po related eh. Gaya ng binigyan mo lang na bonus,
Okay.
bonus yung isang empleyado.
Ayun naman ay ginamit namin yung pondo ng PDIC.
Oh,
para
yan
doon.
po, yan po. Yun lang po ang tanong. Yun lang po ang gusto ko.
So when PhilHealth receives those appropriated amounts, it receives them as the premium payments of indirect contributors, Your Honors. So then PhilHealth accounts them as part of its premium revenues.
So, in other words, Attorney Hermosura, once there is a fund balance, this become also a general fund.
It is not restricted anymore.
That's
Your
why
Honor.
it becomes a general fund
Yes, Your
that
Honor.
can be used for any other purpose.
PhilHealth, under its charter, is required always to use its funds according to its purpose.
In
Your
other
Honor.
words, whether it be a reserve fund or a fund balance, those fund
Yeah.
shall be spent aligned with the purpose of PhilHealth.
But that doesn't take the authority of the national government, Your Honor, to tell the subsidiary like PhilHealth that the money that you are not using, as the Secretary has called it, idle funds.
Exactly. This is what I want to clarify. So that if a fund balance coming from the money of the PhilHealth, once it is categorized as such, it can be used for any purpose, not aligned or not aligned with the purpose of the PhilHealth.
If it is PhilHealth that will use it, Your Honor, it has to use it.
Yes.
It has to use it according to its charter. But the national government, as the owner of PhilHealth,